Welcome to Santa Fe, the amazing capital city of New Mexico. It is one of the most special and beautiful places in the United States. Where is it? Santa Fe is located in the southwest of the country, high up in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Because it is about 2,100 meters above sea level, the air is very fresh and the views are incredible. You can see big blue skies and mountains all around you. Santa Fe is famous for its history. It was founded in 1610, which means it is the oldest capital city in the USA. When you walk through the streets, you feel like you are traveling back in time. The buildings are brown and made of adobe, a traditional mix of mud and straw. This gives the city a very unique desert look that you won't find anywhere else. The weather here is wonderful. There are more than 300 sunny days every year. In summer, it is warm and dry. In winter, it is cold and you can see beautiful white snow on the mountains. There are so many amazing places to visit in Santa Fe. Here are the most important ones. The Plaza. This is the heart and the soul of the city. For over 400 years, people have gathered here to talk, celebrate, and relax. It is a beautiful square with green trees and historic buildings. You can sit on a bench, listen to live music, or visit the small shops nearby. It is the perfect place to start your tour. The Palace of the Governors. Located right on the plaza, this is a very long, low building made of adobe. It is the oldest public building in the USA. Under its long porch, you can meet Native American artists. They sit there every day to sell handmade jewelry, like silver rings and turquoise necklaces. It's like an open-air museum. Canyon Road. If you love art, you must walk down this famous street. It is a magical place with more than 100 art galleries and studios. You can see modern paintings, traditional sculptures, and beautiful gardens. Even the houses on this street are like pieces of art. The Loretto Chapel. Near the plaza, you will find this small but famous church. It has a miraculous spiral staircase made of wood. Legend says a mysterious carpenter built it without using any nails. Meow Wolf. This is not a normal museum. It is an adventure. It is a large building full of secret doors, bright colors, and strange rooms. You can walk through a refrigerator into a fantasy world. It is fun for both children and adults. Santa Fe is a perfect place for people who love nature and people who love culture. There is always something fun to do. If you like the outdoors, put on your walking shoes. You can go hiking in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. There are many paths, called trails, with beautiful pine trees and fresh air. In the autumn, the leaves turn a bright gold color. In the winter, the mountains are covered in white snow, and you can go skiing or snowboarding at Ski Santa Fe. It is only a short drive from the city center. Santa Fe is also famous for its spas. You can visit 10,000 Waves, a beautiful place in the mountains, where you can relax in hot water under the stars. It feels like being in Japan, but in the middle of the New Mexico desert. If you prefer a quiet day, visit the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum. She is one of the most famous American artists. Her paintings show the beautiful flowers, red rocks, and white bones of the New Mexico desert. You can also visit the Santa Fe Rail Yard. Every Saturday morning, there is a big farmer's market. You can buy fresh local food, listen to music, and meet local people. It is a very lively and friendly place. Food in Santa Fe is a mix of Spanish, Mexican, and Native American flavors. It is delicious, but be careful. It can be very spicy. The most important ingredient is the chile. In Santa Fe, the chile is a vegetable, not just a spice. When you go to a restaurant, the waiter will ask you a very famous question: red or green? Red chili is usually made from dried peppers and has a deep, smoky taste. Green chile is made from fresh roasted peppers and is often a bit more spicy. If you want to try both, just say Christmas, and they will put both red and green sauce on your plate. Here are some things you must try. The green Chile Cheeseburger. This is a local favorite. It is a juicy burger with melted cheese and lots of chopped green chili on top. The breakfast burrito. Start your day like a local. It is a large tortilla filled with eggs, potatoes, cheese, and, of course, your choice of chile. It is the best breakfast in the world. Enchiladas. These are corn tortillas rolled with meat or cheese and covered in lots of sauce. In Santa Fe, they often serve them flat, like a pancake, with a fried egg on top. Biscochitos. For dessert, you must try a biscochito. It is a crunchy cookie with cinnamon and anise. It is the official state cookie of New Mexico, and people eat them at every party and celebration. Sopaipillas. These are little pillows of fried bread. You can eat them with your meal or put honey inside them for a sweet treat at the end. Santa Fe is a city that loves to party. There are many festivals throughout the year where you can see art, hear music, and meet people from all over the world. The Santa Fe Indian Market. This happens every August. It is the largest and most famous Native American art market in the world. More than 1,000 artists come to the plaza to show their beautiful pottery, baskets, and jewelry. It is a great place to learn about the culture of the 19 pueblos, Native American villages, of New Mexico. The burning of Zozobra. This is a very unique tradition in September. Zozobra is a giant puppet, about 15 meters tall, made of wood and paper. He represents Old Man Gloom, all our worries and sadness. Thousands of people gather to watch him burn. It is a big party, with music and fireworks to celebrate a fresh start. Canyon Road Farolito Walk. If you visit in December, you must see this. On Christmas Eve, people place small paper bags with sand and a candle inside, called farolitos, along the street. The whole road glows with a warm orange light. It is incredibly romantic and peaceful. Do you want to know some secrets about the city different? Here are some fun facts. The mud buildings. Most buildings in Santa Fe are brown because of a special law. To keep the city's historic look, new buildings must follow the adobe style. This means they look like they are made of mud and straw. Even the modern ones. The longest name. The official name of the city is actually La Villa, Real de la Santa Fe de San Francisco de Asís. That is a very long name for a city, right? The oldest house. In Santa Fe, you can visit a house that is over 800 years old. It was built by Native Americans long before the Spanish arrived. The Blue Doors. You will see many bright blue doors and window frames. Some people believe the color turquoise blue protects the house and brings good luck. Santa Fe is not just a sea city. It is an experience for all your senses. From the smell of roasted chile to the sound of Zozobra's fire, you will never forget your visit. Are you ready to pack your bags? See you in New Mexico!